All right, we're live again. I don't know what happened the first time. Internet's acting stupid. Hopefully, we still have some people to come in and can tell me if it's working better now. We're talking stock and crypto. If anyone has any questions, please let me know. Started it. We went for like 10 minutes and it just stopped itself. Hopefully, now it's better. Where, where we left off, we were talking Oasis Foundation, Meta. Trying to find the original posts where they said they're working together. It's like I'm not gonna be able to find it. Okay. What up, skis? I know I have it in my past video. If you guys want to go back and watch that, I just like to show proof when I say something, because I wanna set a different precedent. All right. Anybody have any questions out there? Are you guys able to see everything okay? Do I sound better this time? Is my internet better? Thank you. Thank you for sticking around, Peterson. Appreciate it. Is my internet better? Also, guys, I want some questions. This is your time. I can I can I can start talking about stuff, but I want questions from you guys. All right, let's talk about a crypto we haven't talked about before. One I was looking at was Decred, and me and my guy that I gave you guys the information about before, my guy Aspen Shredder, Hello World. We were talking about this one, so I know you guys have brought up Decred before. And one of the things off the bat that I like about it is it has a 21 million supply like Bitcoin, and it's very similar to another coin that we were talking about. If we bring up Coin Market Cap, another coin called Elastos. And if we were to put them side by side here, I want to see like kind of how they relate. Let's bring up Elastos. Okay, Elastos is about 30 million. Let's do this. Split the screen here. Okay, Decred and Elastos. Okay, one thing I want to know. Okay, so let's see all. Elastos was as high as 90 and it just got drained. One thing I want to know is if we come over here, DeFi Llama. We look at the chains. Does Decred have any? Okay, so they don't have any DeFi, which is amazing that they're that high in price and they don't have any DeFi yet. Let's see here. Nope. Okay. So I know Elastos does. Okay. But Elastos, this DeFi hasn't gone over like 7 million yet, or It went over 7 million. It hasn't gone over 8 million yet. So that's something we want to see there. But let's go back to full. Okay, all good now. Hey, Phantom Beat, what's up? Strictly, we're good now. Good. That is good to know. Please, guys, put any questions in there that you have. So, just talking Decred right now. Um, so Decred, they have like a mix of proof of work, proof of stake. I just want to know what are they doing with their lives? Like, what are they? Do they have a project that's coming up? Let's see what we can see on the Twitter community. Okay. So let's see what we can see on their Twitter. It's a decent following. Base Bison has been released. Everybody should have aware of their software. Voting. Treasury. Okay. Nothing yet. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some like really deep diving on Decred. Let's see who's following them. Guy Aspen Shredder. KuCoin's following them, of course, because they're listed on KuCoin. Coin Market Cap. And Benzinga's following them. Have they been on Benzinga before? Huh. Interesting. Alright. So, not much from that. Let's go to their Medium. That's usually where people put a lot of their information. And while I'm going to the Medium, hopefully you guys can have some questions. Medium. Summary of projects. Where did it all begin? Recruiting. Latest stories. Okay, last time they updated this was December. That's not that good. So it's been 3 months and they haven't really said anything. Well, let's see what they had in December. Decred's first payment to contractors from the new treasury was approved. Development work. Okay, change proof of work, proof of stake split from 60/30 to 1080. Okay, you told me about that one. Okay, but I'd love to see something like what have you been doing for the last 3 months? Okay, it says something January. Whatchamacallit? Okay, so they've been updating it, their Twitter at least. March 11th. Okay, my Spanish is good. Speaking, but not, I don't know if it's good enough to read this, but let's try. Speaking about Decred in the blah blah blah, it's the most advanced DAO on the planet. The system is governed, and I don't know that one. Decentralized project. It has a machine of coordination and ultra power. Okay, I think I got that. Most of that in Spanish. Um. Okay, so not they're getting set, but I wish I knew some partners or something that they had going on. Let's see if we have trying to think of stuff every week, y'all. I tell you. There's only so much, especially in a bear market. There's only so much you can do. Let's see here. Please, I so welcome questions, y'all. Okay, you know how we're going to do this? We're going to do this just like we just did. Let's go OVR. Let's go community. Community. Look up their medium. Wow, they burnt 40% of the tokens. That's good. Map to earn. Polygon. Stuff started. Okay. They haven't upgraded their medium in a while either, which is fine because really it's mostly about the Twitter anyway. People check medium, but only the crazy people like me who like have channels and have to check everything. Okay. Okay, I'm not seeing anything with Omi. I'm gonna open my Telegram because I have a group of guys. We've been talking about OVR, metaverse. Chat. We've been talking OVR for a bit. I know they had some partnerships here. Network. Network. Peterson, you know Leonard. Okay, so they did partner up with Boson, which is amazing. This is brought to us by Leonard and the Underdog Crypto community. Guys, you definitely try to come over here and check out the Underdog Crypto community. I have to do something like this for us guys too, but feel free to come over to the Underdog Crypto community too. It's just like you're almost in my community. You know what I mean? Because we do so much collaborating together. So it's Underdog Traders Community Research and Sharing Group Chat. So come on over here. I'm gonna set up one for us at some point in time, or maybe I could just do it right now, and you guys can just start chatting in it. Let's just do it. New group. Blackrue Investing Community Chat. So we'll just add Aaron. Do you have Luke? We'll add Aaron. We'll add Leonard. We'll add Peterson. I'm not sure which one is Peterson, so I'll just add them for right now. But y'all see it now. The group exists. We just have to make it live up in there. Okay, so Boson. That's really something sweet. So let's see. Let's go. Kind of. There we go. Okay. Boom. Boson partners with OVR to enable AR commerce. We're working together to build a community-owned open metaverse built on Boson protocol. So, if you guys aren't familiar with Boson, they're already um, they're already in Decentraland, and basically the thing that Boson does is they're like digital to physical. So if you see like a dress uh, This fine pixelated lady is wearing, and you like it. Okay, I want to buy the boots. Buy the boots, and they ship them to you, like the real live boots that someone's made. And this is going to be a really big thing in the future because there's even like if you check out Lex Friedman, he had a video where he's talking to Mark Zuckerberg about it, and they go real deep into the metaverse. But this is going to be a thing where like people are going to be wearing things in the metaverse, and you're going to be able to buy it with crypto and actually ship it to you. So imagine like, yay, Kanye brings out his new Yeezys and he's doing a metaverse concert, and he's stepping out with the new Yeezys on the metaverse concert, and all you have to do is like beep up boop, like click on it, or maybe there's a little QR code. You scan it, and bam, you go straight to Boson Protocol, and you could buy his boots or you could buy the Yeezys, and they come to you. And like your character gets a pair, and you get a pair, or there's just a charge for that, or there's just a charge where you just buy them physically, something like that. It's gold. So let's see. Got any more questions? Hey, all right, senior, what's up? Speak on any minors. Any thoughts on Hut H? I do not know what Hut H is. Phantom, I'm still high on Phantom, and I think its DeFi has been growing too. Let's see here. Video still not good. Oh my god. Thoughts on Phantom? Okay, let's look at Hut H right quick, and then let's look at Phantom. I'm still high on Phantom. Uh, let's see, Hut H. Fueling the digital system. So is this a miner or is this a mining company? That's the thing we want to know here. Okay, are they publicly traded? They should tell us in investors. Stock information. Okay, so they're publicly traded, NASDAQ Hut. Okay, sounds good to me. I just have to do some research on them. But yeah, my thing about these guys is just I think if you want to be exposed to Bitcoin, um, having a bunch of these miners that mine Bitcoin is another way to get exposed and have a little bit more bang for your buck. Okay, so do these guys CEO on Bitcoin's mining shift towards sustainable energy? Okay, so it seems like they mine Bitcoin. If we look at them, first of all, let's put them in here. Paste. May not paste it. Hut. And then let's put it here. Okay, wow, yeah, they've been beaten. Every growth stock has been had its butt kicked. Earnings 3 days from now. So if you want to buy it, you probably want to buy it before the earnings, because who knows? Like the earnings could probably even send it going down. Who knows? But it's already like a lot off right now. But let's look at the calendar and see what the earnings statements say. Okay, so every year increasing earnings. And like I said before, like it kind of doesn't matter with the earnings. It seems like they wanted the money to flow out of growth stocks, so it flowed out of growth stocks. Because if we look at Riot, sorry, I'm probably still moving slow. Let me get rid of Telegram again. That's probably what's making me move slowly. Telegram. Okay, so I got rid of Telegram. That should make me move a little bit better here. Okay, I got rid of Telegram. That should make me move better, guys. So Hut seems like a good buy to me. Um, just like scale in, guys. Like not financial advice, but definitely don't try to throw too much at these things because with the war, like prices are just we just don't know. Um, but what we do know is this guy is already like only a third or 25% of its high. It was as high as 16. We're getting it here for about four and a half. So honestly, that's pretty good. Last time it was this low was like a year ago, almost a year ago. So we're doing pretty good. It may go lower because usually when you have these crests like this, it has to kind of form like a rounding bottom to really say okay, it's done. So chances are it's probably going to go lower than this, but you can always just scale in. You know what I mean? Just like get a little bit here and then like okay, it's not done yet. I'll get a little bit more when it's lower. But yeah, just looking chart wise, usually they kind of have to round out before they come back. Um, Let me see if I can show you an example of that. Tim teaming up with the World Health Organization. So man, Phantom down to 109, just killing. So maybe this hasn't found its bottom yet either. Maybe it hasn't found its bottom yet. Trying to do DeFi Llama, it might not let me because the